Are you ready to turn your Pinterest addiction into a money-making machine? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a creative entrepreneur, or just someone looking to make extra cash, today we will show you Pinterest-inspired small business ideas that can skyrocket your income. Make sure you watch until the end because the last idea has a huge untapped market. Now let's dive in. Why is Pinterest a goldmine for business? Pinterest is a treasure trove of inspiration for creatives, entrepreneurs, and side hustlers. If you're looking for a fresh and unique small business idea, Pinterest can be your ultimate guide. There are endless possibilities to turn your creativity into profits. Pinterest isn't just a social media platform, it is a visual search engine. People come here ready to shop or find inspiration, which makes it an incredible place to start a small business. Plus, 85% of users say they have purchased something after seeing it on Pinterest. Now let's explore some of the best Pinterest-inspired small business ideas. Handmade home decor business. This is profitable because home decor are always in demand, especially custom or handcrafted pieces. Pinterest users actively seek DIY and home styling inspiration, making it easy to attract a niche audience. To get started, choose a niche. For example, luxury, farmhouse style, minimalist, boho, or vintage. Create handmade items such as stunning wall hangings, aesthetic mirrors, wooden signs, or painted ceramics. Set up an Etsy store or Shopify website and use Pinterest to drive traffic by posting aesthetic pins linking back to your store. Use Pinterest trends to identify popular color schemes, materials, and styles for home decor. Aesthetic digital planners and journals. These are profitable because these are passive income streams. You create them once and sell forever. There's a high demand for goal planners, budgeting templates, self-care journals, and wedding organizers. People prefer aesthetic, easy-to-use planners over generic ones. To get started, use Canva or Adobe InDesign to design the templates. Set up an Etsy, Shopify, or Gumroad store. Optimize Pinterest pins with keywords like minimalist productivity planner or aesthetic journal templates. Offer a freebie like a sample page to attract customers, build an email list, and upsell a full planner bundle. Custom press-on nails. This is profitable because there is a high demand for DIY salon quality nails. You can charge around $25 to $75 per set with low material costs. Also, there is a potential for recurring customers who love seasonal and theme designs. To get started, buy nail tips, gel polish, nail charms, and UV lamps. Create stunning designs. For example, summer is coming up, so you can sell summer theme nails. Create bundles by including nail glue, nail file, buffer, cuticle pusher, and cuticle oil. Sell on Etsy, Shopify, or Instagram with Pinterest marketing. Include sizing kits so customers can get the perfect fit before ordering a full set. Upcycled furniture business. This is a profitable business because upcycled old furniture is trending and repurposed furniture is in high demand. Since material costs are usually low, you can source the old furniture from thrift stores or flea markets and upsell them for a higher profit. Also, customers love one-of-a-kind pieces, and as a result, you can buy the furniture for about $10 to $50 and sell for about $150 to $500 depending on the style, design, and furniture item. To get started, find old furniture pieces and refurbish them with modern Pinterest trendy designs. Sell your pieces on Facebook Marketplace, Etsy, eBay, or even your local home decor shops. Use Pinterest to showcase before and after transformation, linking back to your shop. Offer DIY workshops or downloadable ebooks teaching others how to upcycle furniture, and also create before and after videos on Pinterest and TikTok to attract buyers fast. Personalized gifts and subscription boxes. This is a profitable niche because personalized products have a high perceived value and can be sold at premium prices. Subscription boxes ensure recurring revenue. To get started, identify the niche you're most passionate about. For example, self-care boxes, stationery, pet lovers gift, weddings or baby shower gifts. Source high quality material and create unique customizable items. Use Pinterest to create visually appealing gift guides, directing traffic to your website. Here's a tip for you. Even if you're a small business owner, you can send out PR packages and collaborate with influencers to unbox and review your products, increasing brand visibility. Handmade candles and bath products. This niche is profitable because people love aesthetic home scents. Likewise, self-care and wellness products are always in demand. Candles, bath bombs, and body scrubs are perfect for gift giving. To get started, learn candle making or bath product formulation. You can use websites like Nature's Garden, which provides free candle and bath product recipes. Buy supplies like soy wax, candle wicks, essential oils, and jars. Create seasonal scents, example spring floral or cozy fall vibes. Make your packaging and branding aesthetically pleasing. Post mood boards on Pinterest showcasing different scents, profiles, and themes. Offer custom scents and personalized labels to target special occasions like weddings, anniversaries, baby showers, or birthdays. DIY jewelry and accessory business. This is profitable because Pinterest users love fashion accessories and DIY jewelry tutorials. The startup cost is low and the profit margin potential is high. To get started, choose a niche that you also love. For example, resin jewelry, clay earrings, or wire wrap gemstone pendants. Sell on Etsy, your own website, or at local craft fairs or farmers market. Create tutorial-based Pinterest pin to attract DIY-loving audience. Offer a make-your-own jewelry kit for the DIY enthusiasts. DIY party decor and balloon garlands. This is a profitable business idea because theme party setups are Pinterest perfect and in high demand. People will pay $100 to about $500+ for full setups. To get started, learn balloon garland techniques on YouTube, Free University, offer ready-made decor kits or full-service setups. Market to moms, event planners, and party organizers via Pinterest and Instagram. Partner with local event planners for a steady stream of clients. Vision board kits and templates. This is profitable because vision boards are a trending productivity tool. Digital kits equal passive income. To get started, design aesthetically Pinterest-style templates and you can use Canva to do so. Canva is free. Sell digital files on Etsy or Gumroad. Market your kits and template on Pinterest with motivational keywords. Create seasonal vision board and themes, example 2026 wealth goals coming up, or self-care boards. And the final idea is aesthetic cakes and dessert business. This is profitable because custom cakes and desserts are trending on Pinterest and Instagram. People love aesthetically pleasing baked goods for special occasions. To get started, choose a specialty: minimalistic cakes, floral cupcakes, or even watercolor cake designs. Offer delivery and pickup services for birthdays, weddings, or corporate events. Post visually stunning cake design on Pinterest to drive local orders. Experiment with different flavors, textures, and design to create unique and eye-catching desserts. Consider incorporating seasonal ingredients or cultural influences to add a unique twist. Create behind-the-scenes baking videos and upload them on Pinterest Idea Pins for more engagement. How to market your business using Pinterest. To market your business using Pinterest, optimize your Pinterest profile. Make sure your Pinterest bio and board are keyword rich. Use words like handmade gifts or custom home decor. Create eye-catching pins. Use bright, clear image with text overlay to grab attention. Use Pinterest SEO. Find high-ranking keywords using the Pinterest search bar and include them in your pin description for more reach. Leverage Pinterest Idea Pins. Post video tutorials or step-by-step guide to boost engagement and sales. These business ideas aren't just trends, they are high-profit, low-cost business ideas that can change your life. Pinterest isn't just a place for inspiration, it's a powerful tool for starting and scaling a profitable business. Whether you're crafting home decor, upcycling furniture, selling digital printables, or baking custom cakes, you can leverage Pinterest to market your products effectively. By staying on top of the trend, creating visually appealing pins, and offering unique and high-quality products, you can turn your Pinterest-inspired business into a thriving venture. These Pinterest-inspired businesses are easy to start, highly profitable, and perfect for turning creativity into cash. With the right marketing and Pinterest SEO strategy, you can scale fast. If you love these ideas, drop a comment below with your favorite Pinterest-inspired business idea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss another money-making idea. Remember, you got this. Boss up.